So, with my previous alcohol ink debacle, I decided to get some fresh alcohol inks, and since I liked the Let's Resin mold so much, I figured I would try out their alcohol ink. And it comes, the 14 color pack comes in this cute box. Comes with, oh, they come with some thumbtacks. Interesting. It looks like some of these labels are kind of coming off. Which is not a huge deal. If they did fall off, I think it would be hard to figure out which color's which. White, another white. So this is the third white. It says deeper. Maybe they mean more pigmented. And in here we have a coupon. Oh, and some safety tips. It tells you how to make a petri dish. So we'll test these out in one of my pours with one of my new molds. Both the same brand. So we'll see how that goes. I went to the dollar store and I found these. And I was like wondering how I was gonna organize all my new alcohol inks, and I was like, hey, maybe they will fit in here. So I got them. Not really sure if they would fit. They're meant for lipsticks, I'm pretty sure, but let's give it a go. And it does work. So I guess those fit, but what about the pinata colors? I think the bottles are, yeah, they are a little bit thicker. So these are 10 milliliter bottles. They fit in there. These are 14 milliliters, but they do fit in like this top row. Those in there. I didn't take off the plastic on that one. That was silly. Why it not work? What? Why, how does that one fit there, but the other one didn't fit? What? So I got them all in here. I organized them by color. And the next step, I think we got to punch a hole into the tops because it came with like push pins. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I hope it's not a messy process because that would really... Just what I feared. Lord. Oh, this one does not smell great either. Looks like blood. Damn it. I'll be right back. Alright, so that was not fun, but you know, I half expected it, yet did nothing about it. I'm gonna put on some gloves so I don't continue to stain my hands. And I'm gonna use like a protective measure in case any of the other ones explode like that one did.
I would suggest maybe trying snipping them off with some scissors. I don't know how much cleaner that would be or less explosive.
Alright, so each one of these did have a tendency to explode. The only way of really like preventing that was to hold your finger in between the tack and the nozzle, so whatever does come out just goes out on your finger.
Okay, let's actually start testing the colors. As you can see, there was a cool lacy effect happening that was kind of made more apparent with the use of the heat gun.
the next day. They're all cured. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop them out and try to keep them in the same order. This color is really crazy. It's almost like a day glow. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's super neon. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with all the colors. I will probably not use them straight out of the bottle because I like to stray away from the primaries. These, I thought they would be the same, but coffee is like a darker brown and brown is like an amber brown. And then for these, purplish red is just like crimson, I guess, and then red is like candy apple red. And those are like the closest colors that I would have trouble differentiating. But yeah, I'll go through and name each of them so you have a reference if you're looking for one of these colors. Peach red, okay. That is magenta, purplish red, red, orange, yellow, lemon yellow, green, blue, sapphire blue, purple, coffee, and brown. Some of these names don't really make sense, but let's go with it. I hope this is helpful to you. I didn't do the blacks and the whites because I figured we know what that looks like. And yeah, I hope this is helpful, and join me for other swatching, reviews, tutorials. Thanks.